turbojet engine. So imagine V16, you can say Super 16. V16 are the first people on the earth we are creating turbojet engine. So this nozzle idea I explained. Now combustion chamber you attach. Imagine Rujesh is here. Rujesh told this idea, sir, let's attach combustion chamber. Then what will happen? Kinetic energy of the gases will increase. Whatever air is entering, so we will be getting little more Mach number. Then because it was the Rujesh idea, so he started working on this idea, and he explained, yes sir, we are getting more Mach number. At the same time, as I said, like we are engineers and we are hungry for the ideas. And so someone said, sir, combustion chamber idea is perfect. I have one more idea. So suppose Sonakshi suggested, sir, let's attach compressor also, because if gases will be compressed, that time we will be having more pressure. That pressure also we can convert into kinetic energy. To convince her idea, she gave example of, suppose sir, this is a balloon, very compressed balloon, and there is no concept of temperature inside, only pressure. And if you will make hole in the balloon, then air comes out very fast. Why air comes out very fast? Because here your pressure is so much bigger as compared to atmospheric pressure. So you got exit pressure here. So you got exit velocity here. So now we got two different great ideas. One person suggested for combustion chamber and one person suggested for compressor. So to compress the gases, to increase their pressure, we have a device called compressor. We have two types of compressor. One is centrifugal, one is axial flow compressor. So that will cover when we'll be dealing with compressor. Okay, now idea is we have to attach compressor in this design. So again we got confusion. We should attach compressor before combustion chamber or after combustion chamber. So now there was a confusion. Suppose Sonakshi has no idea where to attach the compressor. So suppose some other student is coming. Let's Pratik. Pratik said, sir, we can't attach combustion chamber here because we can't attach compressor here because if we are keeping compressor after the combustion chamber, then it will be difficult to compress hot gases. And even compressor has some blades and some material issue, so compressor has to face more temperature also. So because of some drawbacks, he suggested, sir, why not let's attach compressor before the combustion chamber. So his idea was kind of acceptable. Okay, so let's attach before combustion chamber. So now we have compressor. Now we got compressor. But again, when we designed this much, we thought, okay, we are happy now. We got our turbojet engine. I mean, we got our engine for aerospace industry. But suddenly, when we started operating this engine, we got a very, very big disadvantage. And that disadvantage was, I will tell you now. How much we got? We got very high exhaust speed because of compressor and combustion chamber. And because of that, we got very heavy thrust here. But what we started, the problem is, actually, from this side, air started entering very heavy. I mean, speed was very, very heavy. Air is coming very, very heavy speed. So because of that, this combustion was no more stable because of the high speed. What happened? This air took the flame outside of the jet engine. Whatever air was coming, that air took the flame out of the jet engine. Like we do our happy birthday, right? In happy birthday, we have candles. Candles are burning. So they will be keep on burning if you don't blow the air. But once you will blow the air, the flame will go off. Same thing happened here. So for that purpose, some other student, let's name this student Poonam. Poonam said, sir, I have an idea. So she said, sir, there is a way we can reduce the incoming flow velocity. So I asked how. So then she said, sir, we can attach diffuser. And what is diffuser? Just opposite of nozzle. This part we have covered in the lectures. Okay, so we attached diffuser, man. And because of diffuser, we got our less speed. In between, I forgot one thing to explain. If you are installing the compressor, then you have to run the compressor. So for that purpose, suppose Suraj said, sir, I have an idea to run the compressor. Let's attach some other device that is called battery. So we can run the compressor. But when he installed the battery in the combustion in the jet engine, he found that battery is not providing that much rotation. So he got stuck. Now what to do? So suppose he met some colleague. Example, he met Vedant, and Vedant said, okay, Suraj, we can do one thing. If battery is not sufficient, then we can use turbine. So just after combustion chamber, he kept one turbine, and turbine he connected with the compressor. Turbine started rotating, and because of that, compressor started rotating, and we started getting subsonic flow also because of diffuser, and compressor is giving me more pressure, and combustion chamber is giving more temperature, and turbine is only for one work, to run the compressor. If you will not add turbine, suppose compressor is magical compressor, it is running by itself because it is my compressor. I can design magical compressors. This is top secret, so don't say to anyone. So I can run the magical compressor. So suppose this engine is ready now. You got diffuser, you got compressor, and you got combustion chamber, and then you got this thing, turbine, and then you got nozzle. Then some two intelligent people came to me. Suppose Saurav and Taresh. They said, sir, after analyzing all the engines, we have come up with the great idea. I said, yes, tell me the idea. Then they said, sir, when we were analyzing the jet velocity, then we analyzed the chemical behavior of the jet. In that chemical behavior, we found that we are getting extra O2. It means what? Whatever O2 is entering from the inlet, all the O2 is not helpful to burn the gases here. Some O2 is remaining. So why can't we use this O2? I said, very good. So sir, for that purpose, we can use one more combustion chamber. That is additional combustion chamber. Like afterburner. They came with the idea of afterburner. But we had a problem. Where to attach the afterburner? Like here, where to attach the afterburner? Then because Saurav is from different Gola, so he said, sir, in my Gola, they are attaching afterburner somewhere. Suppose he said, sir, let's attach afterburner just after compressor. Then because we are from the earth, we said, no, our thing is different. You attach afterburner on your Gola. Idea is good. Then Lokesh came. Lokesh said, sir, I stay very near to ISRO, and it's better if you will work on my idea. Then I said, okay, what is your idea? Then he said, sir, let's attach afterburner just after turbine and before nozzle. I said, why are you proposing this idea? Then he said, sir, if you will attach this afterburner between combustion chamber and turbine, then this afterburner will increase the temperature of the flow. So again, it will be dangerous for turbine blades. Then I understood his idea. Then finally, we completed our engine. So all those people, like I forgot to take their names or something. Please just take this as a story because we have a lot of students. So I took someone's name. Now see guys, you got all the parts. You got diffuser, you got compressor, you got combustion chamber, you got this thing, turbine, then you got afterburner, then you got nozzle. These people are nothing but assembled properly and making engine. Okay, your engine is nothing but these people, and they are assembled in the right dimension and aligned properly. That's why we are getting thrust at the exit. Thrust at the front and hot gases at the exit. Now still, when you will crack your gate exam, and if you are taking propulsion in any IIT, then you can work again to modify your engine. Of course, modifications are like always acceptable, right? It should be good modification. So I hope you got the idea and you got the story, right? Now let's start the technical part.